Hi, I'm Palash, founder of Alanex Media, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create similar sections and how to delete sections. So first of all, you go to your Webflow dashboard and open Designer. Once the Designer mode is open, you scroll down. So let's take an example. So I want something similar to this section. So I want the exact section, but I want different copy, different images. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this section. Make sure you select the entire section, and I'm gonna press Command C or Control C if you are in Windows, and then I'm gonna go to pages. So click on this icon, this third icon on the left hand side. So this will show you all the pages on your website. And what I'm gonna do, I want this section on process page. So I'm gonna select process page, and once the process page is open, make sure you select body, and now I'm gonna press Command V or Control V, and as you can see there's a new section at the bottom. So I'm gonna drag this section to the top, and now I have a new section on the process page. Now I can just copy and paste. I just copy and paste it. Now I can change the content of it by double clicking on it and start making the changes to the text. I can also replace the image, for example, like this. Okay, like this. I can change the text, things like that. I hope this helps. Now let's delete this section or delete any section. To delete any section, all you have to do, make sure you select the section and just delete it. Backspace or delete. Press backspace or delete, and that is it. I hope this helped. If you have any question about it, please let me know, and thank you for watching.